So yesterday I posted a short video on how to start a flooded small engine. You do this by squeezing and holding on to the trigger while you pull the cord. And the reason I flooded my engine was because I was trying to clean the carbon off the piston in the small engine. So today I thought it might be good to show that process. And to begin with, you have to warm up the engine for 4 or 5 minutes so that it gets hot, and the carburetor cleaner will work better that way. So now you see I still have a little bit of carbon left on the top of the piston. So what you do is just unscrew the spark plug and spray some carb cleaner into the hole. And you can move the piston up and down a bit by gently pulling the knob. You don't want to do this vigorously, otherwise the carb cleaner might come out and spill on you. So remember to wear gloves and goggles when you're doing this. So after you clean it, just put back the spark plug and run the engine. Squeeze and hold the trigger because you've probably flooded the engine, and then you start your blower and run it for another 5 minutes to clean off all the carbon. So that's how you do it if you want to keep your engine running longer. So this is the first time I clean the carbon off the piston. But if you don't clean the carbon off, your piston rings will get stuck, your engine runs hot, and then eventually it won't start.